Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about some general information regarding the IELTS examination. Now, if a person who is not much familiarized with the IELTS examination, or if he or she is appearing for the examination for the very first time, there might be certain confusions in their mind regarding which medium should they adopt for appearing for the examination, whether they should make use of a pen or a pencil as their medium. Now, pen and pencil both can be used, but in the case of IELTS reading and listening test, the students are expected to make use of pencil in order to fill their answers. And also the student is expected to carry along with them an eraser as you are making use of a pencil. But in the case of IELTS writing, the student can make use of pen or pencil. Now, what might be the possible difference between making use of a pen and a pencil? Now, when you make use of a pen, sometimes your writing may turn out to be shabby, and especially in the cases when you commit mistakes, you need to draw multiple lines or several lines in order to highlight that mistake so that the examiner will be, or he or she can easily identify, okay, this is the mistake. But if you make use of a pencil, you can easily erase away your mistakes and rewrite the answer. And also make sure that your pencil is sharp enough and is not too light in color, and do not make use of those pencils which would break easily. Now, what about the handwriting? The student can make use of any style of handwriting, but it should be readable enough so that you can get the score. Third thing is, the student should ensure themselves or provide themselves with proper practice on the IELTS official examination sheets so that they do not become confused at the time of the examination. And something else to be noted is that the IELTS examination would be continuously conducted for 2 hours and 40 minutes. There would be no necessary breaks in between. Then, when you write or when you're getting into the writing section, make sure that your words have proper space between them, and also you write above the line. And also, when you're required to rewrite an answer or to correct a mistake, make sure that you erase it properly and then write the answer. Otherwise, it would be considered as overwriting. So last but not the least, it's always practice which will help to upgrade your skills and also achieve a remarkable score. I hope it was informative and useful. Thank you.